Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Instagram. So to change your password on Instagram, you open the Instagram app, navigate to your profile. On your profile, you're going to click on the three dot menu at the top right corner. Now click on Account Center. Now click on Password and Security. Click on Change Password. If you have your Facebook linked to your Instagram, you will have two options here, Facebook or Instagram. Click on Instagram username. And here, you get an option to change your Instagram password. You can put your current password, put your new password, and retype your new password. So that's how you change your password on Instagram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.